Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you Bitcoin every 2 minutes, and this much user this website have, and this much USD dollar this website pay to your users. And you can see this is the withdrawal proof from this website to pay this much users. Okay, first of all, click register. You can easily make an account in here. Put your username, password, email, password, confirm password, and just click solve capture. Okay, I have already account. Just I click my account to log in my account. Just I solve this little capture in here. Oh, sorry. Just I solve this little capture. It doesn't mean to have a okay. I solve it, and now you can see I log in my account. The first way earning is mad faucet. The first way you can click it, mad faucet. You can claim this much tokens, and every 1 minute show me some pop-up ads. My pop-up ads is blog about that, show like that. Every okay, maybe every 1 or 2 minutes, this much tokens this will be paid, and this much claim per day. First of all, solve this little capture, and just collect your reward. Okay, and you can see every 30 seconds we come back and claim again this much satoshi. Okay, and the next way is a manual faucet. Manual faucet pay you maybe little bit timer. And first of all, solve this little captures 8 4 and 1, and just collect your reward. And you can see after 3 minutes I come back and claim again. The next way is the short links. I can visit the short links, and I can earn this much tokens. It is 6 short links available in here. You can visit. The next way is a PTC hats. You can watch all the PTC hats, and this will be take this much seconds to watch. This much tokens this will be pay. Ads available is a 6, but in here show you much more. I don't know why. Maybe okay, this will be show much more. In here didn't update how much ads this will be available. The next way is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket after this much hour. This will be have a contest. You can see a lot of people win their amount from here, but some of the people have the best things, okay, to win.